So I bought a GoPro. Yep, that's right. Here's the GoPro. Okay, so today I have here is the Hero 11 Black. That's right. I bought a new GoPro because why not? I'm a legend. Okay, just kidding. Because basically, on the 20th of November, I'm flying overseas to Sabah, you know, have my fun, you know, I need holidays too, you know. And when I'm there, I'm like, hey, I want to capture the good moments that I have there. So I have this bad boy here, the Hero 11 Black. That's right, it's gonna help me capture all the good moments that I have there and show you some, you know, some underwater features. So today we're gonna do an unboxing for this. We're gonna test it out, its capabilities, and yeah, we'll see how good the quality is. So let's just get right into the unboxing. So the first thing when you open it is that comes with a casing. Oh, there it goes. Alright, so it comes in a leather hard casing. So when you open the thing, you'll see, yeah, you have the GoPro. You have the GoPro, of course, the cable charging the GoPro or connecting it, and the mounter for it. It also comes with a screw here. Let's check out this GoPro. So as you can see, the GoPro is really simple. It has two main buttons, one here and one here. And now you might be wondering where's the charging, where do you put the batteries? It's here. So what you want to do is that you want to see this black piece here. Yeah, you want to like lift it up and then you just fall out. Then you see the insides. Yeah. Alright, so this is where you're going to put your card, the battery, and this is where you're going to put the cable. Yeah, right here. Alright, now that we've seen it, let's go into more of the details on the GoPro. So right now you can see the GoPro has two screens. That's right. It has two screens and one big camera. So yeah, pretty basic. Only the screen here is for you to do like a selfie thing, like blue, something like that. So, and also in the GoPro, it has these little guys, I don't know what they're called, these things, they have to connect to this. Yeah, so you can move around. This is also the thing to secure it. At the top of your box, your case, you have the instruction manuals here. We're gonna teach you how you're gonna work. How you're gonna work your GoPro. But basically, you know me, I don't follow instructions, so yeah. Oh, yeah, forgot. It comes with your very own battery, of course. If not, how are you gonna work the GoPro? So this is the GoPro for Hero 11. So this battery is basically the same as your Hero 9, Hero 10. You can use the battery to operate your new GoPro. So I'm going to show you how it works and we'll see the quality of it. Now before I show you the quality, I'll put in the battery. I'll let you see what you can expect with it, like when you put in the batteries. So you do like just now, open it, put it out, insert the battery. Now, close the back. Yep, you close it back. And then once it's in, you press this button here and hold it until you hear beeps. There you go. And then you see, start to record. Yeah, I start to record and then you can see yourself. Yeah, that's you. That's right, I'm using a phone. Haha. So we'll shift the table one side. And I'll show you more of the modes. So you can see over here it's pretty basic. See here, yep, it's pretty basic. See yourself, hello. So when you see you be in videos. So let's just say, hey, I want to take a cool photo with the GoPro. You can switch it. You can swipe it. You can take a cool picture. You can swipe it again. There's also time lapse. Yeah, time lapse. So you can do like a bunch of weird stuff in front of it. So yeah, time lapse. So here at the side you see a W. Press it. Now you see you have these cool different options here. You just need to tap on it. You can't scroll on it. So top one, hyper view, which you see the whole room. Oh no, I'm exposing myself. Next, you have linear horizon lock. So basically, you can jiggle around and it won't like, you know, move a lot. So you can move yourself like smoothly, but you can't, when it jiggles, it doesn't jiggle that much. So that's linear horizon lock. Above it is linear. So I set it to white because like the normal setting of it. So yeah, that's for that. And here you see, press the ×1. You can have slow-mo. Yeah, exactly, slow-mo. So you can like record on what you want. Ultra slow-mo. Yeah, you can take slow-mo videos with it. Yeah, and that's it. That's all I got for the GoPro. Now, you wanna off it, just press this until you hear the beeps. But before that, I'm gonna show you how you record. So, see this? Yeah, like any other camera, you just click this, and you start recording. And then you just stop, and then when you stop again, you just press this. And now, where do you get all your videos at? So you just scroll down, yeah, and then you'll be able to see your own video. You start recording. Yeah, see? It's quite cool. Alright, so now you off it, just code this. And now you power off. Yeah, so this is how the Hero 11 works. So let's test its capabilities now. Also, another thing, this is not a sponsor. Okay, I switched it to linear lock and we'll see how the thing goes. Hello. Got my board up. Yeah. Okay, let's go test out the thing. Kids playing. Do I want to show the kids playing? I don't know. I'm just also testing the audio. I don't know how you guys viewing me right now, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. Approaching the area. Alright, let's see how this videos look like. Oh no, it's occupied. Okay, we'll try a different route. It's pretty nice though. It's pretty calm. Like, look at this view. It's so nice. I just try to go down slowly, I guess. Slowly. Is there anyone there? Well, might as well do it. Knew it. No. It's fine. There are people there anyways. I just fell down. Ow. At least the camera's not hurt. Not going down this area again because I never learn from mistakes. But I'm still doing it because I hate my life. And there's something called no life. But yeah, it's fine. I'm good. We fall down all the time. Yeah, but it's actually pretty nice. Like, you can just do this. And it's a bit injured, but it's fine. The camera is so steady right now, and it's also pretty cool. Like, you're moving and then all these things are going by you. It's pretty nice. GoPro's about to die, so we better make it back quick. Oh, that's the tank I did with Lord Mega ZZ. Yeah, that's right, we're back at the place. It's my neighborhood, by the way, so I'm only limited to this area. Oh no. A lot of people. Can't slide down now. I guess I'm gonna walk on foot then. Oh shit. Yeah. Alright, it's finally time to be rating this GoPro. So we're gonna be finding out now if this GoPro is actually that good. And I'm gonna be rating this a solid 9 out of 10. This GoPro is fantastic. It's compact, lightweighted, and you can carry it anywhere that you want. This GoPro also gives very high quality videos, even though the audio may be a bit muffled because you know you're like covering it, but it gives off really good quality. All you daredevils out there and stunt devils out there, maybe you should try buy one of these so that you can show us. Yeah, this is what I think. I really love it, and I really love it. And it can go to all terrains. But for my recommendation for this GoPro is that you buy extra batteries, because the batteries can die really fast if you're using it a long time. So make sure you pack a bunch of batteries. You can see for me, I have bought 3 more extra batteries so that the GoPro can last longer. And also swap out the SD card, because the SD card that you buy maybe comes like only 2 hours. So I buffed up my SD card. My SD card now holds like 128 gigabytes. So yeah, I recommend like getting a SD card for 128 gigabytes in it. So you can have 4 hours more of recording. This is the most expensive video ever. So by March, let's get this channel up to 15 subscribers. Yeah, because I want to beat High Hunch Crown and Lord Omega ZZ at one point. So let's win this race and subscribe. With that, folks, I'll see you on the next video.